What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when CarPlay is not working with your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. CarPlay is a feature that allows you to connect your iPhone to your car's infotainment system and use some of your favorite apps on the dashboard screen. However, some iPhone 15 users have reported issues where CarPlay is not working at all. This can be frustrating, especially if you rely on CarPlay for your daily commute or road trips. Fortunately, there are some easy fixes that you can try to solve this issue and enjoy CarPlay again. First of all, make sure that CarPlay is allowed in your iPhone's screen time settings. Open up your Settings app and go to Screen Time. On the Screen Time settings page, scroll down a bit until you see the Content and Privacy Restrictions option under the Restrictions section. Tap on it and then go to Allowed Apps. Here, make sure CarPlay is not toggled off. If it is off, toggle it back on. CarPlay should now start working without any issues. In case this method does not fix your CarPlay issue, then it could be that there is a software bug or glitch on your iPhone that is causing this issue. Restart your iPhone by following these steps in quick succession. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and then tap and hold the power button until you see the drag to slide off screen. Proceed to turn off your iPhone and then hold the power button again until the Apple logo flashes back on. After successfully rebooting your iPhone, any software bug or glitch that was previously causing the issue will be eliminated, and you'll be able to connect and use CarPlay again. If restarting your device did not fix the issue, it could be that there is some persistent error in your network settings. At this point, it's recommended you reset your phone's network settings. Open up your Settings app and go to the General section. Scroll down and here you will see the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Tap on it and then tap on Reset. In the pop-up window, tap on Reset Network Settings and proceed to enter your password. After all your network settings have returned to the default values, CarPlay should work without any issues. This method will be particularly useful if you wirelessly connect your iPhone to your car to use CarPlay. If the issue persists and you connect your iPhone with a cable, then make sure the cable you are using is not damaged. A damaged cable could be the reason why CarPlay is not working when connecting your iPhone. Speaking of which, it is of equal importance to ensure that the USB debugging mode is not turned off on your iPhone. To enable the USB debugging mode, open up your Settings app and then scroll down until you see the Face ID and Passcode option. Proceed to enter your passcode and then scroll down. Here, you will see an option labeled Accessory. By default, it will be turned off. Toggle this option on and it will remove any restriction that your device places on wired connectivity through the USB port on your iPhone 15. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.